Okay, now this is the other section. You see the way the Messi guy is arranging it to ensure that the concrete goes in, which is the first layer, the beam that will cover the iron, then the rest. You know, the next one is the next step casting. That is how it goes. We have done the first stage 90% beam. That's the beam that we completed. Then the next stage now is to take the last, which is the feather paraffin. Thank you.